Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, in our previous video, we have studied about chapter 7, The Land of Snow. In this video, we will do its book exercises and question answers. So let's start. Let's first take a quick recap of the chapter. Greenland is the world's largest island. It is surrounded by water from all sides, that is why it is called an island. Its capital is Nuuk or Godthab. The climate here is very cold throughout the year. Not much vegetation grows here, means not much plants or trees grow here. Inuits are the natives of Greenland. They are the original inhabitants of Greenland and their occupation is they hunt animals and catch fish. What type of clothes they wear? They wear clothes and shoes made from animal skin. And their houses, they live in tents or igloos. The main means of transport on land is the sledge. Humaks and kayaks are used in water. These are the boats they are using as a means of transport. Now let's come to the checkpoint. The original inhabitants of Greenland are called the Inuits. An important latitude that passes through Greenland is the Arctic Circle. A huge block of ice that floats on water are called icebergs. A breed of dog that pulls sledges in land in Greenland, they are called the Huskies. Words to know. What is Ice Age? The time many years before when thick ice sheets covered large areas of land. That period was called the Ice Age. Harpoon. It is a weapon like a spear with the rope attached to it used for hunting whales. This is a weapon used for hunting whales. This was the weapon they were using in the earlier times. Now they use automatic rifles. Let's come to take the correct answers. Greenland is also called, 4 options are given. You have to take on the correct option. Kalaallit Nunaat, R Island, Kalaallit Nunaat or Eskimo Land. The correct answer is Kalaallit Nunaat and not Kalaallit Nanuut. The correct answer is C. Kalaallit Nunaat. Greenland is located towards the northeast of which continent? The correct answer is North America. The Inuits wear clothes made from the skin of seals. D is the correct answer. To go from one place to another on land, the Inuits use a sledge. On land they use sledge. On water they use kayaks, humaks or motorboats. Due to the mainland being covered with ice, settlements are mainly found in the town areas. Right, true or false? Iceberg cannot be easily seen by sailors. Yes, it is true because there is fog, so icebergs cannot be seen by sailors. Greenland is very hot during the summer season. No, it is not so. It is not so cold, but still it is cool during the summer season. So this is false. There are thick forests in the northern part of Greenland. No, there are no thick forests because of very cold climate. So this is false. Sledges are pulled by polar bears. No, it is false. Sledges are pulled by huskies. They are wolf-like dogs. Sisimiut is a big city in Greenland. Yes, it is true. Let's come to the spiral work. Motorized sledges are called snowmobile. Small boats for fishing are called kayaks. House made of snow, they are called igloos. Original inhabitants of Greenland, they are called the Inuits. Jackets with hood, jackets with cap, they are called the parkas. Next question is name them, any two. Name any two animals found in Greenland. polar bear and seal. Variety of fish are red fish or wolf fish. Crops grown here are potatoes or carrots. Minerals found are, I have written 4, you can write any 2, gold, lead, silver or zinc. Match the columns. Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. The answer is C. Second, Greenland. It is the world's largest island. The answer is E. Huskies. Huskies are used to pull sledges. Igloo. Igloos are house of snow. Toe pig. Toe pigs are tents made of animal skin. So this was all about spiral. Now let's come to true and false in spiral. Climate of Greenland is very hot. Is it true? No. Climate of Greenland is very cold. So it is false. Greenland is located in Africa? No. The answer is false because Greenland is located in America. Icebergs are dangerous to ships? Yes, icebergs are very dangerous for ships. So the answer is true. Greenland has no railways. The answer is true because railway tracks cannot be made on snow. So the answer is true. Fishing industry is the most important industry. Yes, people do the work of fishing. So fishing is the most important industry. So the answer is true. Here you have to draw an igloo and define igloo. What is igloo? A small house that is built from blocks of hard snow. The igloos are dome shaped. Next is draw an iceberg. Here you have to draw an iceberg and define iceberg. A very large block of ice that floats in the sea. It is a large piece of freshwater ice that has broken off a glacier. Glacier means river of snow and floats in open water. Now this is the picture of an igloo. You can see and draw in your spiral as well as the notebook. This is the picture of an iceberg. You can see this and draw in your spiral and notebook. Let's come to answer these questions. Where is Greenland situated? Why is the island white? ग्रीनलैंड कहाँ इसकी सिचुएशन कहाँ है और ये आइलैंड वाइट क्यों है? ग्रीनलैंड इज लोकेटेड टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ ईस्ट ऑफ विच कॉन्टिनेंट? नॉर्थ अमेरिका. More than 2/3 of the island is located north of the Arctic Circle. That is why the island is white. Write 5 sentences on the climate of Greenland. The climate of Greenland is very cold throughout the year. The winters are long and cold with temperatures dropping below the freezing point. Temperature बहुत कम है, freezing point से भी नीचे चला जाता है. Summer is short and cool. Summer is not so cold. The weather is bright and sunny, especially in the coastal areas. What is the effect of the climate on the vegetation of Greenland? As it is very cold in Greenland, no crops can grow here. Mosses, lichens, grasses and bushes grow in the summer season. In winter season, no crops can grow. And these crops, mosses, lichens, grasses and bushes, they also grow in the summer season. And there are no forests in Greenland. Fourth question is, what kind of animals live in Greenland? Only animals with thick furry coats or those which can withstand. Withstand means those who can adjust with extreme cold can only survive in Greenland. वो ही एनिमल्स रह सकते हैं जो इतनी तेज़ सर्दी में ज़िंदा रह सके. सम एनिमल्स आर मस्क ऑक्सन, पोलर बियर्स, रेनडियर्स, वेल्स एंड सील्स. दीज आर सम एनिमल्स फाउंड इन ग्रीनलैंड. राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन इग्लूज. द इन्यूट्स लिव इन इग्लूज और स्नो हाउसेज इन द विंटर सीजन. विंटर में वो कहाँ रहते हैं? इग्लूज में. जो कि स्नो से बने हुए हाउसेज हैं. These houses are made of large blocks of ice and are dome shaped. वो ऊपर से गोल हैं. A hole is made in the center of the dome to allow smoke and hot air to pass through. एक होल बना हुआ है डोम में ताकि धुआं और गर्म हवा पास हो सके. The floor is covered with skins and furs of animals. Children, do the book exercises in the textbook. This is your SST homework. Words to know and question answers in your notebook. Worksheets do in the spiral only. Draw, color and label an igloo and an iceberg in your spiral as well as the notebook. Thank you.